have a limited edition glossy box for you guys, and this one is female founded. And look at how awesome that box is. It has two different females here, one upside down and the other one right side up. I really like the artwork on here, and let's go ahead and jump in and see what is in here. First up, it says female founded, a collection founded by women, curated by women, for women, and everything in this box is just that. As always, they have the little pamphlet with all the information on here. Oh crap, and my little bow is undid this time, so it just came undone really easily this time. And then it has the tissue, and we're just going to jump in. Oh my god, there's so many goodies in here. Okay, first things first is this women's multivitamin gummies. I am all about gummies. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you ain't, why aren't you? My link is down below. I'm always talking about gummies. I live by gummies. I wish that when I was little there was more gummies around, but now as an adult, all my vitamins, any vitamin that I can take in gummy form, I will. But there are 3 different packets in here. One is hair, skin, and nails. The other one is Summer Glow Tanning Gummies. Wait, what? Is this a thing? Can you glow with gummies? And then this one's a multivitamin. It says these Summer Glow are specialized for optimum tanning results. I had never known that there was a gummy for that. But these gummies are 3 per 1 day is worth $5. Full size for 30 days is $30 to $35 each. And this was founded by twin sisters, Jessica and Melissa Midry. I'm really like shocked about the tanning gummies. Let me know if I'm the only one who didn't know that there were tanning gummies. Okay, next thing that we see in here is the Blossom and Blossom. This is a hands up age defying hand cream, and this is worth $15 for the mini, $21 for the full size. It is supposed to be a 99% naturally derived, and it is supposed to keep your hands hydrated, repair them, brighten them, and restore. Hands are one of the things, like your neck and your hands are where your age like shows the fastest. And it's always good to hydrate. One of the things that I also do is like when I finish my skincare, whatever's left, I just keep like rubbing it into my hands. Don't ever wash your hands afterwards. Just go ahead and use those puppies into your hands as well. But always good to have a little hand cream in your purse. Next thing that I see in here is the Floral Street Sunflower Pop. This is a perfume. Oh, and it's from the Van Gogh Museum. Look how beautiful. It has his sunflower painting on here. Let's go ahead and see what the packaging looks like. And this is worth $30. It says a yellow tipped sunflower from the brush of Van Gogh inspired this bright blend of fresh mandarin, bursts of Calabarian bergamot, vegan honey accord, and a pop of Bellini accord. And it's supposed to be a vibrant citrus fruity blend to feel joy and optimism. This was made for me. And I love that they actually put the Van Gogh painting on here. Look how beautiful, so that it's like in the backdrop of it. Is that not gorgeous? I love Van Gogh, so let's just spray a little bit and see. Oh, this smells... This is right up my alley. This is so citrusy and just, just so happy. It smells happy. If I could put happy in a bottle, this would be it. This is amazing. I'm happy for this. Next thing in here is, what are you? This is the Deco Nail Lakoa. And this is, oh, it fell on the bottom. Oh, this is so cute. It's a bright yellow, perfect for summer. I want to start doing some nail videos. Let me know if you guys would be interested in me doing like nail videos here. I am not like really super into designs and stuff, but maybe just like basics of how to do certain things. Let me know. Anyways, this is $8. This is in the shade Tequila Sunrise, and it's very, very cute. Love the shade, this yellow. It says 2 to 3 coats for full coverage. A little goes a long way, and it just brings brightness into your spring. Next thing in here is the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. This is a clear gloss infused with Volu Lip, and this is what that looks like. I know that a lot of these get that kind of like stinging feeling. Let's go ahead and see if I can pump some out. But this is worth $27. And it says, get fuller looking lips with no strings attached. This high gloss volumizing lip plumper. It has the Volulip and hyaluronic acid, and it says in 3 to 5 minutes. It also hydrates area. It's taking a hot minute to get it out. Okay, there it goes. I like the fact that this is hard and you can like wipe it. So like today that I'm wearing a different lip color, I could just clean it easily. So I went ahead and applied some on. Let's go ahead and see if in the next minute or so while I talk if I feel anything. So far it smells like a lip plumper. It has like that minty kind of smell to it. And I feel like just a slight tingling, but not like a severe burning effect, which is nice. Next thing in here is the Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True by Bloom. It's an all-natural chamomile, geranium, lavender, and giant sea kelp. I'm going to be taking this with me on my trip. I love these kinds of size for when I go on trips. I love traveling. Traveling is like my vibe. and these little travel size are perfect for traveling, so I'm always keeping these and putting them into my traveling bag. This is worth $4 for the mini, which is a really great price. And this is, it has all plant extracts, and it's supposed to keep your skin plump, even, and never tight or dry. So we'll be taking that with me on my next cruise, which I'm leaving in like 2 weeks. Woo woo. Next thing in here are these mini, oh, these are perfect for my trip. Look how cute. There's a shampoo and conditioner. Okay, I'm really starting to feel the plump on my lips. Not in a burning way, but I just feel them like kind of like plumping, like a lot of circulation going into there. This is worth $2.99 each for these little mini. These are called the Monday Hair Care. They're shampoo and conditioner minis with coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and nourishing. And I am excited. This is to help with hydration in the hair. And it says, I'm for frizzy, dull hair, smooth. I will be taking these with me. And I love the bottle. The bottle's so freaking cute. I wonder where they sell these. Because if I like this, I would buy the full size. The full size is $15.98 for each. Let's go ahead and, it has a nice clean smell to it, not anything too drastic. We'll be taking with these on vacation. This came at the perfect time, right before my vacation. Next thing that I see in here is, what are you? This is the Touchland Power Mist. And this is, oh, it's a hand sanitizer. Look how cool this is. I thought it was like a perfume. That is super cool. This is the Berry Bliss. So this is dermatologist tested, hydrating hand sanitizer, kills 99.99% of germs. It has 500 spritz in here, and this is $9. Let's go ahead and test this out and see. Oh, this is, oh, I like how it dries just instantly. This is gonna be perfect for me in my purse. I always carry either sprays or gels or anything, especially because of everything that we've gone through. Before that, even so, I was kind of like anal about cleaning hands and washing hands. I've always been like that with my son. And he knows, like, once we touch a lot of stuff, we need to wash our hands, we need to clean. And this will be perfect to just like be able to spray it on the go as well. So really, really nice. And the smell is really nice as well. It has like a really nice soft berry smell to it, which I like. And next thing in here is the Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara. This is worth $10 for the mini. It says it gives you fearless lashes with this mascara, carbon black smudge free formula. And then what else do we have in here? This is such a great box. Next thing in here is the Fur Oil. Okay. I don't know what this is. It says it's safer for even the most sensitive areas. It's a lightweight oil, gently softens hairs and clears pore for fewer ingrown hairs. Okay, I am a little thrown back by this. This is $8, but it says it's a fur oil for pubic hair. I don't know. Yeah. It says for everywhere hair meets skin, including pubic hair, chest, underarms, legs, and face. I didn't even know this was a thing. Okay. Well, there's that. If you, yeah. Okay, and then we're just gonna skip on through to the last one. This is the hair coils you need right now. I love these kinds of hair coils. I always have one around my wrist usually, especially at work. That way at any moment in time I can tie my hair back. And I like that this one has, ooh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them in there. They're a little smaller than what I'm used to, but I do have really thin hair, so this would work for me. And this is $5. It says headache free, kink free, and perfect for every hair type. These telephone cord style hair ties are the perfect accessories. I live by these. I love them. So this is a plus for me. And I think it stretches pretty good. Yeah, they stretch pretty good. So once you open and stretch it, and these are really cute. Like this one has little sparkles on it. There's a white one and then a gold sparkle and then a gold one. So these are super, super cute. And it comes with, oh, I don't know how to count. It comes with 8, not 10. And that is it for the female founded limited edition box. Let me know if you guys got this, but this one is a really great one. I really enjoyed everything in here. The only thing that was a little iffy that I really shave a lot, so I don't really feel like I need this, is this fur oil. Just even the name fur. Let me know if you guys have ever heard about pubic hair oil. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that little red button. My social medias are down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.